Well, where was I? Well, you see here, I was in Howard Township getting off my school bus, bus 18, which was an international school bus. Uh, I was the last kid on the bus, walking to my babysitter's house, which is a couple clicks, down a long driveway. And next I hear her saying, get your butt in the inside." And I went through the front door, which that was wrong. We never went through the front door. We always went through the back door. So I went through the front door. The TV was on, showing circles and plus symbols on it. We found out it was a tornado, so we found out we had a tornado warning going on, so we went downstairs. It happened so fast, the sirens didn't go off at the time this happened. The sirens didn't go off, and I went downstairs, actually grabbed a kid, and went downstairs with the kid, and we ducked and covered and did the tornado procedures. The thing is, though, my mom showed up, and we all went downstairs to the basement for safety reasons, and I don't know what those things are called. Those spinny things on top of a gas. You know those spinny things. Those spinny things are on top of a gas station. The things that spin. Two of those flew off. My mom was filling the car with gas. After she got gas, the power went out of the gas station. But those spinny things on top of the gas station flew off at the time of this before the storm actually hit. And the tornado that after it hit Cass County started in St. Joseph County, Indiana, and then ended in St. Joseph County, Michigan, near Flowerfield. Now, the thing is, the last storm, that tornado I was actually in. Now, you can see on the other videos that you'll be seeing later on, other videos you may be seeing that I have for this date, when this premiere happens, when it happened. But the thing was, though, I was only 7 years old when the first tornado I ever been to was. I mean, it was pretty scary though, being my first tornado. I was in the basement and had my duck and cover procedure like you're supposed to do, and we did pretty good. We did real good. I mean, we did what we were supposed to do. We went downstairs. The kids had their own TV downstairs. We turned to 22, and we were showing a notation. Now, I don't know how to tell you this, guys, but I remember being around. I mean, been through at least. I mean, it's like four tornadoes at once. Five if you count the one that hit in Ohio. But yeah, that's what I was doing. I got out of East Side Elementary School, hopped off bus 18, and ran to my. And I usually never ran because there was rocks, but I ran that day. So that's where I was that date. And the thing is, it's the time. It's kind of tricky to explain. The time was around 3 p.m., around 3 p.m., 2 p.m. Central Time, around 3 p.m. Eastern Time, 2 p.m. Central Time. And at the time, the state of Indiana never changed their clocks. So they were telling Eastern Time, but when you spring forward, Indiana never spring forward or fall back. Indiana stayed the same until 2006. Then they did what Michigan did. Well, Indiana was one of the only few states that didn't do it, but yeah. It was 3 p.m. Eastern Time or 2 p.m. Indiana time. So yeah, it was kind of confusing, but yeah, that's where I was at. So I was like, got out of East Side Elementary. Okay, I was going to East Side Elementary School in Niles. My bus driver had dropped me off in Howard Township, which is in Cass County, which is outside of Niles. And then that's it. I was usually the last kid off the bus. I mean, it was a Class B school bus, so it's a small school bus, Not that big, but it was a Class B school bus, so yeah. Still up to this day, it's surprising. So yeah, that's where I was the day when that happened. That's why this is getting aired this day for, this time. It happened around 3, 4 o'clock at night, but yeah, I know this premiere is kind of odd, but yeah. So that's where it was when it happened.